Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and I am so excited right now because in front of me I have a surprise gift package from kikki.K. Yes, it is another, I guess what you could call a PR package that they sent me, and I'm so grateful. My goodness, I'm so excited. I'm not exactly sure what's inside, but I do know that my friend Desley of Desley Jane Plans have been sent a package recently that does include the new Dream Life V6 planner that they have released that kind of coordinates to the whole Dream Life collection that Kristina Carlson has started with her book and everything, and that's just so exciting, and it's a gorgeous planner, and I think that's what might be inside here plus some other goodies, and I'm just so excited to see what it is. So yeah, let's just get it open. All right. Okay, so man, am I excited. This package also was almost lost because somehow the post office had scanned this one in someone else's name. So when I came to pick it up, they wouldn't give it to me because it wasn't in my name. But then when I showed them the barcode and I was like, well, I have it and it's my address on the package. Like, can you just look at the package and see that it says my name on it? So they did, and they confirmed that, yes, this is your package. We're sorry. So finally I got it, but I got a little scared there for a minute because I knew it was this very special package and everything. Oh well. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here we go. Opening it up. So we have this classic kikki.K tissue paper. Oh my gosh, and then we have all the things inside. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna take everything as it comes, I guess. I'm gonna put it a little bit to the side and just pull one thing. So the first thing I see, ooh, oh my gosh, this must be from the new collection. It's a tote bag. Oh my gosh. Whoa, look at that. It's a gorgeous tote bag with this awesome design on it. Look at this. All these leaves and all the patterns. Live well. Yes, that's the new collection. It's like a home collection, I think. It's a really nice canvas fabric tote and really nice straps too. They feel really sturdy and they're really long, so you could easily pull this over your shoulder. I love tote bags because they're so useful, and I actually use them a lot for like quick errands and stuff when I need some more space when I'm going shopping or something. So thank you so much, kikki.K. That's awesome. All right, so the next thing in here, ooh, there's sticky notes, and these are also from the Live Well collection. Oops, that was upside down, I believe. So opening this up to get a closer look at these. Let's see. Oh yes, so we have a big sticky note pad here. I love the long ones because they're really easy to make lists on. Then we have, oh my gosh, look at this one. Less screen, more green. That's awesome. A square one, and then we have some page flags as well. Page flags are so useful, and I've been using that a lot in school recently. So yeah, very useful for sure. Okay, so what's next in here? Ooh, yes, oh my gosh. Oh wow, these are the inspiration quote cards. That is the newest inspiration collection. Oh, I always love the inspiration collection, and this one must be my favorite one that they've done so far. I just love the designs, and all the colors make me so happy. I love the fact that yellow is like a big color in this collection because yellow is one of my favorite colors. Gorgeous gift box too, as always. So I haven't actually picked this up for myself yet, but I've been close to many times. So the fact that I got it as a gift and that I don't have to pick it up for myself is just, feels so special. Dream big, dream often. I love that. Then this one says, it always seems impossible until it's done. That is true. It's never too late. I love the photo in this one. The only time you run out of chances is when you stop taking them. I love the gorgeous gold foiling too. What would you do if you knew you could not fail? I've been starting to listen to the Dream Life podcast that Kristina has, and this is like one of the introductions. Oh, I love the design of this one. So simple. Life without dreaming is life without meaning. I love that. Oh, and the cloud. Oh gosh, I love this one. Inspiration is all around you. I love this striped design that they've done, and I love this quote too. It's very true, by the way. What you do every day matters more than what you do once in a while. That is true, and I love that. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So true, and I just love all the designs of these. Make time for the things that make you feel alive. Yes, and I just love the style of everything. And this font, I think, is kind of new for kikki.K too, and I really like it. The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. Yes. Don't overthink it, just start. This is something I have to train on every single day. Yeah, but those were the quote cards. They're gorgeous. And I mean, this is one of the products I love most from kikki.K because I just love inspirational quotes, and the designs and the quality is always so great with them. So that's awesome. All right, so let's see. I believe the last thing in here... Whoa, hold on! It is not the last thing. This is the planner, so I'm gonna save this one for very last. There is some smaller things. Oh, I should have probably read the note first, but first I can just show you this pen. It is also from the Inspiration Collection. This one says Dare to Dream in the gorgeous pastel yellow. And let's see, I think it's one of those... I think it's a gel pen, and I love gel pens. It's Everyday Gel Pen Inspiration, and the color is called Lemon. I love that. And I probably should have read the note first, but it was at the bottom, sadly, so I didn't see it until now. But look, there's a heart and it says my name. And if it's been as it was with Desley and Ashley, then I think this is a note written by Kristina herself, which is so special. So, oh, I love this card. Dream big. Look at this. Dearest Hannah, I hope you're well. I can't tell you how excited I am to have a dream planner at kikki.K. Now I hope you will love it as much as I do. Thank you for your ongoing support. Kristina! So special. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Kristina. It's so special to get a physical card from her. The fact that she does this is just amazing, and such an inspirational businesswoman. Yeah, I look up to her a lot and I just feel so grateful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's dive into the biggest and for me most exciting thing in here, the Dream Life Planner, the brand new one. Let's see, here it comes. Oh my gosh, here she is. Wow, the feel to this, it's like so special. My gosh, I don't know how to explain it. I'm gonna zoom in a little so you can see a little better. But as you can see, there is I don't know if is it called embossed or is it like debossed when it's like pressed down? I don't know. But it says Dream, and I love it so much. It is the gorgeous darker gray color, and it is actually PU leather. So this one is vegan leather, so not real leather, but it feels amazing. And it's like suede almost, but it doesn't feel like fuzzy. It's soft, but it's matte. It's unlike any planner I own to the touch, but I love it. It's so awesome. Oh my gosh, I could touch this all day, I feel like. It's just, I don't know, for some reason I just want to push it against my cheek and cuddle with it. That's really weird, I know. But yeah, so this is a B6. This is the same size that the Planner Insider planner that I helped design is as well. So it does have the two options when it comes to the closure. So, but it doesn't show here, which I think is that's unique actually, because the other B6 planner, the first one, didn't have that. It did have a button, but this one doesn't. So, but I love the simplicity and the feel to this. Oh, I can't stop touching it. I'm gonna have to. You really like, it doesn't slide, like it kind of sticks. So you get a really good grip on this one, which I don't know if that matters, but I like that for some reason. But here we go. Here's the inside. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So as always, it has the I'm unique, saying that this one is handmade with love. So no two planners are exactly the same. That comes with every kikki.K. Also with a planner warranty. And then, let's see, I'm just gonna take out all of this stuff. So it has the same exact structure as the original B6 planner that we designed. So it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slot pockets, as well as a secretarial pocket. And it has a little zipper here, so you can put something inside there. And it also has a pocket here. The only thing that's different is that it doesn't have a pen loop that the original one did here. That is not something I'm gonna miss because I wasn't really using it anyway. Okay, something that's really cool with this one that I haven't seen ever before is that this one actually comes with like a notebook that's punched into the planner. So look at this. It's a stitched notebook that has holes, so you can take it out and take it with you. But that's something that I've never seen before, but it's actually really clever because if you wanna like take this one on the go, if you don't have space, let's say in your handbag for a planner, if you're bringing a smaller handbag, or let's say you're going, I don't know, on a meeting or something and you don't need to bring your whole planner, you could just take this one and take notes, and it's blank, so you can really put anything in here, which is really awesome. Just so clever. I love that idea. I hope that they do that more, actually. Then we have stickers. I love the colors in this. It is kind of from the inspiration collection, so you're gonna recognize the style, the font, and the colors. Also, it does have white rings, just like the original B6, which makes it very customizable. Like, if you want to set this one up to your own style, it's very easy to do so, because it's just gray and white, and you can do so much with gray and white. It's actually kind of crazy how customizable this one is gonna be. So, oh gosh, okay. The inserts are so exciting. I can't wait to get into it. But here's some inspirational stickers and cute ones. Here's some more functional ones. And we have tab stickers here. Let's see what they say. So this is all based on the Dream Life book. So that's why these are a bit more different than they usually are in their other planners. And actually, it's so fun because I do have the Dream Life book on my wish list for Christmas. I'm really hoping that I'm getting it this year because I've been wanting it ever since it came out. And it would be so fitting too if I got this one and then I actually got the actual book so I can make use of it, you know. Then we have some functional icon stickers here as well. Then starts the first section. So here you can write your name. I, Hannah, am committed to making my dream life a reality. And then just some inspiration, like kind of a contract with yourself. You can sign it. That's just really nice. My dream life starts here. Yeah, I think that's a really good way to start. And then there's some more info here. Live fearlessly in the pursuit of your dream. I love that it has so many like inspirational quotes scattered in a little bit everywhere. This is like specifically for the Dream Life book. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna have to go through this in more detail because I'm not really sure, like I don't have the book yet. So yeah, but I love the idea, and I love all the inserts that it comes with, or rather that it comes with all these inserts. So I'm gonna have to go through this in more detail once I know more what to do with it. So the first divider, ooh, that's really cool. So this section is called Dreaming. Oh, I love the word and the idea of dreaming. I'm a big dreamer myself. So yeah, it fits me very, very well. So it has, like I said, because I haven't read the book or haven't been able to go to like any workshops or anything, it's a little difficult for me to understand all this, I feel like, because I feel like they kind of belong together. But I've heard what some other people have said, and all this sounds really, really awesome. So I'm just gonna be flipping through all this because maybe you have read the book, so this makes more sense to you than it does to me. This tab is unlabeled, but here are the inserts. It's a lot of text. Oh, this is like a thick paper. Like a dashboard almost. Oh, it's a vision board. Wow, that is so clever. This is a special planner, guys. Like really, it's really special. Oh yeah. I love this idea so much. And like I said, I can't wait to get into this really and like dive deep. It's gonna be so nice. So like I said, I'm just flipping through everything. You can pause if you need to read more. It seems to be a lot of the same here. Then there's another unlabeled one. Oh yeah, I think this is the same. So you can have like different dreams. So this was one dream, and then it has some inserts, and then this is another dream, and it has the same inserts, but for different like purposes. So let's say you take one of the tabs that were here. Maybe one of your dreams has to do with family and one of them has to do with, I don't know, career. Then you can have family and career and you can focus on those things in 2 different sections. That's really nice. And there's a third one here too, which I believe is the same. This one is calendar. Oh, so you do get a monthly calendar. Ooh, okay. And then there's one here called reflection. Monthly reflection. Okay, that's really nice. So this is something you're really gonna have to work with continuously. You don't just do it all at once and stop. It's like a work, this is commitment, and that's why you had this at the very beginning, because it's a commitment. And I think, yeah, you really have to work on this. And that's when you're dedicated to do it, then you're gonna do it. Because when you dedicate yourself to something and you're committed to it, then you're gonna see results. So this one is supports. I've heard that this is like to help you get to your goal. You can write down people that could help you. Also based on something in the book. And at the very back, let's see, we get, yeah, there's more that's related to support. Then there's just some regular note paper, which is always good to have. And there's also some grid paper at the very back. And then there's a notepad as well, says dream big. And of course there is an elastic pen loop where this one could sit. For example, fits well too with a yellow. So yeah, that is the Dream Life Planner, guys. Oh, it's gorgeous. And all the, like with this one, I feel like you pay for the inserts a lot because I bet they're gonna be really useful. And especially when you have this and the book hand in hand, you know, it's gonna, I feel like it's gonna be magic. I just feel like it's a perfect combo that's gonna help you achieve your goals and get where you want to go in life when you dedicate yourself to this. And I am so excited to like have this, and it feels so special, and I'm so proud of Kristina of what she has achieved and that she keeps coming out with amazing products that it's gonna be so special and help people I mean achieving their goals and their dreams. I mean, that's just amazing. And I love this planner. It feels so nice, and the quality and everything. It just feels really special, and I love it. Oh gosh, I feel almost getting a little emotional. Alright guys, so that was everything for this fantastic, super exciting video and unboxing. I can't explain how grateful and, you know, I am for this package. Once again, thank you so much to Kristina and to the team over at kikki.K for sending this to me. Gosh, it made my day, made my week. I'm just so thankful, and I can't express it enough. And I'm so excited to start using these products and bring more inspiration and into my life. And I just love kikki.K for what they do, and Kristina's vision of creating and helping dreamers in the world like myself. And this, I feel like, is gonna be a very important item in my life that I can go back to in the future. And the fact that, you know, Kristina herself has given it to me just gives it so much more meaning, and it's crazy. So thank you so much again. And of course, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it could give you some insights to these new kikki.K products as well. And yeah, that's it. So I just hope to see you next time. Bye for now.